I'm drawing this flashing and I need to make sure that all of the flashing is the same line weight, same class and everything. Now I can go around and I can select all the individual components, but the easiest way to do this is to go to Edit and choose Select Connected Objects. It'll select all the objects that connect together and then go up to Modify and choose Compose. Now I've actually got a quicker way of doing it, and that is that you right click, you add this to your right mouse click, you add Select Connected Objects to your right mouse click, and you also add Compose to your contextual menu or your right mouse click. Hasn't got the line weight that I want, so I know that the class is set up correctly, so now all I need to do is to make all attributes by class, and that'll have exactly the right line weight for me. So this is a really good trick for when you're drawing your details, to make sure that your details are consistent with their line weight, with their line color, and so on. So let me show you how quick it is when you've added those to your right mouse click. So here it goes. We go Select Connected Objects, then we go Compose, and it's done it. It is so quick if you set it up that way.